Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect two iPads together. Want to connect two iPads together? Here's the simple way and step-by-step guides. First, unlock both iPads and open setting, and don't forget to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the both devices. Place the two iPads close to each other. This helps them connect faster through wireless feature. After that, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap AirDrop and choose Contact Only or Everyone on both iPads. On the Photo app, on the first iPad, select a photo, then tap the Share button, choose AirDrop, and tap the second iPad on the second iPad. Date. Once the file appears on the both second iPad, then connect is working. You can send now photos, videos, or files between both iPad at a time. And that's it. You are and your two iPads are now connected using your AirDrop. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.